You all know that digital products are one of the best businesses you can start right now and in the future because they can generate profits while you work from home, from anywhere in the world, without costing you a single dollar to get started. And as digital product sellers, especially those of us selling digital products for kids, like coloring books and much more, we can generate sales and profits every single month. But if we want to take our profits to the next level, we need to create high-quality listing images, mockups, and A-plus content that look completely professional, whether we're selling on Etsy or Amazon. So my friend, in this video, I'm not just going to show you how to create professional, high-quality mockups and listing images. I'm also going to quickly show you how to create the interior pages for coloring books. And I've chosen coloring books because they are some of the best-selling books that we create and sell, generating sales for us consistently. I'm going to teach you how to create amazing, high-quality coloring books, starting with designing the interior pages, then creating the cover, and finally designing high-quality mockups and listing images. And we're going to do all of this using an amazing platform that has tools for everything we need, called PicWish. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. So let's jump right into the practical tutorial for this video. And make sure you watch until the very end, because I'm confident you're going to be amazed, and this video is going to be incredibly useful for you. Because you're going to be able to create listing images and A-plus content without typing a single word, my friend. And this is something completely new in the world of AI. What I love about PicWish is that it has separate tools for almost everything you need. And what's even more amazing, my friend, is that it has features you won't find on other platforms. And you're going to see exactly what I mean in just a moment. Now, if we go to the homepage, you'll see that everything is organized into different tools. And right here at the bottom, you can create images using AI. So, for example, let's say I want to create a coloring book for kids. All I have to do is type in the details of the interior page I want to create right here at the bottom, and then choose the AI model I want to use to generate this page. And of course, I'm going to choose GPT Image 2. Then, my friend, you simply choose the dimensions you want for your page. I'm going to choose 3 by 4. Then select the quality, and after that, just click Generate. And in just 1 second, it will open a brand new organized chat and immediately start designing your page. And look at the result right now. This is honestly one of the best coloring pages I've ever seen for kids. The result is absolutely amazing. And inside the same chat that it opened for you, you can professionally edit and modify this page. You can change everything so easily. And the great thing about PicWish is that it's incredibly easy to use while still giving you professional results right from the very first generation. And in this same chat, you can also create videos. So it's not limited to creating images only, my dear friend. Now, let's try creating another coloring page inside this same chat. All I have to do, just like the first time, is type in the description of the page I want, and then click Generate. And in just 1 second, it will start creating this second coloring page. And look at this one too. This is also one of the best coloring pages I've ever seen. The result is absolutely amazing and beautiful. But that's not all, my dear friend. After we create the interior pages of the book, we also need to create a cover for this book so that our book is completely ready. So, how are we going to create a professional-looking cover? You're about to see the amazing result right now. All I have to do inside the same chat is add some of the coloring pages that I created. Then I'm going to ask it to create a cover for this book with the title Cute Animals Coloring Book. And in just 1 second, my friend, it will start designing the cover. And look at the result right now. I am really impressed with this result. This is honestly one of the best covers I've ever seen. And I'm confident that if I sell this book on Amazon and Etsy, it could generate some serious profits because it is genuinely unique and stands out. So, let's move right now to the tool that is going to blow you away. If we go back to the home page, you'll find many different tools right here. And if we click on the Amazon Listing Images tool, my friend, you'll see that this tool was professionally designed specifically for creating listing images that we can use on either Etsy or Amazon. To use this tool, all you have to do is open it and then upload a few images of your product. It can be used with any product you can imagine. I'm going to upload 2 images from the interior of the book along with an image of the cover, and it will immediately start analyzing the images without you having to type a single word. And in just 1 second, it has written a very detailed and comprehensive description of the book, without me typing a single word, just like I told you. Then, to start creating our listing images, all we have to do is click the Generate button. It will open a brand new chat and immediately start designing 7 listing images that are perfectly suitable for both Amazon and Etsy. And in just a few seconds, look at the result. It started by creating a professional 3D mock-up image of our book cover. Then, on the second page, or the second image, it created another mock-up, but this time it added some of the interior pages from our book. And you'll notice that it used only the pages we created. It didn't use anything else. This shows you just how professionally this tool was designed. After that, it started highlighting and showcasing the benefits of this children's coloring book. And it didn't forget to include some images of children actually coloring inside this book, which makes the entire listing feel much more engaging and professional. The result is really incredible, my friend. Honestly, I have never seen a tool that can create 7 listing images at this level of quality, with just 1 click without me having to type a single word. And in the same chat, my friend, you'll find some additional tools down here as well, including the Amazon A+ tool. So things didn't stop at creating mockups and listing images. They also created a dedicated tool for creating professional A+ images. And you all know that A+ content is one of the most important things that can help us generate more sales on Amazon. To use it, all we have to do is upload some of the interior pages from our book along with an image of the cover. Then, just like the first time, it will start analyzing the images and writing a professional description for them. You can review this description and edit it professionally if you want. Then, you choose the platform where you want to sell your product. I'm going to sell on Amazon, so I'll choose Amazon. Then, I'll select the country I'm targeting, the United States, and for the language, I'll choose English. After that, you choose the dimensions and the AI model you want to use to create these pages. Then, my friend, all you have to do is click Generate Images, and in just 1 second, it will start generating these images. And look at the result right now. You'll see that these are some of the best A+ images I've ever seen. It started by focusing on the book cover, and then it focused on the interior pages of the book without changing anything. It also explained the benefits of the book, starting with improving children's attention, helping them have fun, keeping them away from harmful screens, and much more. And all of that was written and created without me pressing a single button. The result is really incredible. So this is a complete platform where you can create everything you need, from books and digital products all the way to listing images and even videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in a brand new video. Take care.